start this evening with my favorite story. There was a little boy about 6 years old who came to a balloon seller who was selling balloons on the street. And he asked the balloon seller, "Uncle, will this red balloon go up in the air?" The balloon seller said, "Of course, it will." "And the blue one?" he said. 100% it will go up. "The pink one?" "Most certainly it will, and you know how kids can be. They can ask funny questions, and I give funny answers well." A 4-year-old girl once came to a shopkeeper and asking the shopkeeper, "Uncle, আমাকে দেখতে কেমন লাগে?" 4 years old girl. The shopkeeper said, "অনেক সুন্দর লাগো মা তুমি." She said, "তাহলে আঙ্কেল যদি আমি বড় হয়ে যাই আপনি আপনার ছেলের সাথে আমাকে বিয়ে করিয়ে দিবেন?" The shopkeeper said, "অবশ্যই করব মা, অবশ্যই বিয়ে করিয়ে দিব." She said, "তাহলে আঙ্কেল তাহলে আপনি আপনার হবু বউকে একটা ডেয়ারি মিল্ক দিবেন না ফ্রিতে?" Sure it. Very innocent, charming, clever, smart. They can ask funny questions and people can give funny answers too. A teacher in class asked a 6-year-old, "Which district in Bangladesh you are from?" He said, "I am from Chapainabadganj." "Oh, can you spell it for it?" She said, "I am from Feni." "Actually, I am from Feni." "Who spells Chapainabadganj?" The little boy asked for the pink balloon go up, red balloon go up, blue balloon go up. The exasperated balloon seller said, "Look, darling, the balloons don't go up in the air based on their colors. The balloons go up in the air based on what felt inside of them, the gas, air. That's what takes the balloons up on the height of success." Boys and girls, in the age of 2023, we are all different colors of balloons and different abilities, different skill sets and different background, different upbringings, different family cultures, different traditions, different opportunities, different resources, different challenges. We all have a very different outside. But guess what? Everybody who has reached the heights of success, and they made a mark on the world, has not ever done it based on the color of balloon, has not ever done it based on resource, has not ever done it based on opportunities, has not ever done it on their skills, has not ever done it what is learned from school or universities. They have all are the color of balloons, and extremely important is everybody who left a mark in the world and made the world a better place are the ones who had the right kind of gas filled inside the balloons. As we saw outside, that is very, very crucial and important things. The fact and our inside, because only those who have the inside sorted and inside fixed have reached the height of success. And high up in the sky, which I strongly says is not our attitude, but our attitude that decides our altitude in our life. Yes.